The 2018 Nissan NV. You're a lot more than what it says on your calling card, and you need your vehicle to be more than a van. You demand innovation and versatility. You need it to be your mobile office, your workshop, and your billboard on wheels. The Nissan NV is for you. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, backup camera, keyless entry, traction control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, power door locks, MP3 player, CD player, power windows, passenger airbag, trip computer, bucket seats, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.